Yes, guys, welcome to God Sense TV. This is me, evangelist Ayoub, and I'm here to tell you a good news how you can access God Sense TV on social media. Yes, there we go. First thing, you can go to your YouTube and search God Sense TV and go subscribe us, press the bell icon, and stay tuned with the channel on YouTube. Second thing, you can go to our Facebook and search the Ayoub page and stay tuned on the Ayoub page, and you can send us your prayer questions, you can communicate us, you can feedback us on that. And third thing, very important, that if you want to see the updates of the channel and where channel has been accessed and located and how channel is working, the information about channel, the vision of the channel, you have to go to www.godstance.tv and go check out the new programs, check out the new update, the latest update, and stay tuned with us. And one more thing, if you cannot do it without, you want to do it without social media and you don't have access to social media, there is a good news for you also. If you have a phone, you can just go download on your iPhone or Android, go download God Stands TV app and watch the gospel of Jesus Christ 24/7 only on God Stands TV. God bless you. Stay tuned for more updates. You're out.